Today's my topic is DNA replication. But before starting the DNA replication, I have a request to you. Please share and subscribe my channel B Zubota. Now, come to the topic DNA replication. Today we will see about the mechanism of DNA replication. How replication takes place in DNA. In prokaryotes and also in eukaryotes, the mechanism will be same. But before going to the division, cell prepare their content. So G1 phase, S phase and G2 phase. Three phases in the interphase present in the S phase, during which DNA synthesized. Replication occurs in S phase, but for the replication, for making the duplicate copy of the DNA, what needs? Enzymes needs, energy needs. So which types of enzymes needs for the replication? These are the enzymes involved in DNA replication. Without these enzymes, not possible DNA replication. We must know that what are the function of these enzymes. First enzymes, DNA dependent DNA polymerase enzyme. This is the main enzyme. Must needed for the addition of the nucleotides in the new strand. But how many types of DNA polymerase? Three types of DNA polymerase present and involved in the DNA replication. DNA polymerase 1, polymerase 2, polymerase 3. DNA polymerase 1, what's the function of DNA polymerase 1? Removal of RNA primer and filling the gap. Second one, second polymerase do the check and repair the errors in the new strand. And polymerase third, add new nucleotides through complementary base pairing. DNA polymerase third is the main enzyme which responsible for adding the complementary base pairing according to the template strands, making new strands. Checking and repair done by the polymerase 2 and removal of the RNA primer. Now we will see about the function of additional enzymes which required. Without these enzymes not possible replication, DNA replication. The first, DNA helicase. What is the function of DNA helicase? Unwind the helix by breaking hydrogen bond between the two strands. Hydrogen bonds present between the base pairs. These hydrogen bonds breaks by the DNA helicase. DNA helicase breaks the hydrogen bond and unwind the strands. RNA primase. Synthesize RNA primer. Replication start by the RNA primase by making a small segment of RNA. RNA primer initiate the replication process. DNA replication initiates by the RNA primase and makes the RNA primer, a small segment of RNA firstly added in the 5' to 3' direction, and then new strands and nucleotides added by the DNA polymerase. Topoisomerase. What's the function of topoisomerase? Remove the supercoiling of helix. Supercoiling of the helix firstly removed by the topoisomerase. Here supercoiling removed by the topoisomerase and then helicase unwind the strand. Both the strands unwinded by the helicase, and then single stranded binding protein. One protein needed for the DNA replication, that is single stranded binding protein, which makes each strand stable. Single stranded binding protein binds at the position where both the strands separated to each other, where they unwind. On that position, single-stranded binding protein attach to each strand and make each strand stable. Then DNA ligase. When small fragments of the DNA jointed by the DNA ligase enzyme help in joining the DNA fragments. Replication requires energy and source of energy provided by the DNTP, deoxyribonucleoside triphosphate. DNTP have dual function. First, it acts as substrate, and second, provide energy also. Application start at a specific location, and that location is called origin of replication. DNA polymerized by the DNA polymerase enzyme in a very short time can add large number of nucleotides in a very short time. If we talk about the E. coli base pair, 4.6 10 to the power 6 base pair long DNA found in E. coli, and replication takes place within 18 minutes. It means about 2000 base pair per second. So it is very fast process of replication takes place and done by the DNA polymerase enzyme with the help of these additional enzyme and by the help of source of energy provided by the DNTPs. In case of long DNA molecules, entire length of the DNA strands not open, but a small opening forms, in along the length in which replication occurs. This small opening form a replication fork. DNA polymerase can polymerize only in one direction, that is 5' to 3' on both the strands. Direction of new strand, making of new strands. Direction of making new strands, DNA polymerase leading in 5 to 3' direction, from 5 to 3' direction. And template start continuous and the template with polarity 3 to 5' on that strand. Continuous synthesis of the polarity, the parental strand which have 3' to 5' polarity, new strands will be formed from 5' to 3' direction. That will be in continuous synthesis. That strand called leading strand. The replication is continuous, while on the other strands, the template strands whose polarity is 5 to 3' direction, there will be discontinuous synthesis of new strands and there form lagging strands. Small fragments of the DNA will be formed there and these fragments later will be jointed together by the DNA ligase enzyme. So this is all about the DNA replication.